How do breadcrumbs work in versus code? Have you ever found yourself lost in a sea of files while coding? If so, you might be curious about how breadcrumbs in Visual Studio Code can help you navigate your projects with ease. Let's break it down. Breadcrumbs in Visual Studio Code serve as a helpful navigation tool that shows your current position within the file and folder structure. They also display code symbols like classes, functions, or variables in the active file. You will see breadcrumbs as a horizontal navigation bar at the top of the editor window. This bar illustrates a trail from the workspace root folder through nested folders, the current file, and the symbol under your cursor. One of the main functions of breadcrumbs is to show the file path hierarchy. This means you can quickly see where your currently opened file is located within your project. It helps you get a clear picture of the folder structure leading to that file. Another key feature is the symbol path. As you move through the code, breadcrumbs dynamically indicate the current symbol context, such as the class or method where your cursor is positioned. This keeps you aware of your exact location in the code. Quick navigation is another great aspect of breadcrumbs. Each part of the breadcrumb trail is interactive. By clicking on any folder name, you can open a drop-down menu that lists sibling folders and files at that level. This allows you to navigate to other parts of your project without needing to open the File Explorer. You can also use keyboard navigation to focus on breadcrumbs. For example, you can press Ctrl and Shift and the period key on Windows or Linux, or Command and Shift and the period key on macOS. This lets you navigate through breadcrumb items using the arrow keys, selecting locations without using the mouse. Customization is also available in Visual Studio Code. You can configure breadcrumbs to show or hide the file path, symbol path, or both, depending on your workflow preferences. From a general computing and emerging technology perspective, breadcrumbs significantly improve developer productivity. They provide a compact, context-aware navigation tool that reduces the need to switch between panels or search manually for files and code sections. This is especially useful in game development projects, which often involve complex folder structures and large codebases. Using breadcrumbs in Visual Studio Code helps developers maintain orientation within their project, speeding up code editing and debugging tasks. So, if you want to navigate your projects more effectively, make sure to take advantage of breadcrumbs in Visual Studio Code. They are a simple yet powerful tool that can make a big difference in your coding experience.